Welcome back to Get Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block opening Firefox automatically when your Windows 11 or 10 PC starts up. For this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. In the Firefox settings, select this one general tab in the left sidebar. On the right, under a startup section, you will find this one option, open Firefox automatically when your computer startups. Check this one option in case you want to automatically open Firefox with your computer startups, and in case you want to disable Firefox from automatically starting up, just uncheck this one option, then close the Firefox and reopen it to apply the changes.